All right, well, Amazon, the big competitor that sort of brought Toys R Us to this point, it's continuing very, very big plays in a whole variety of industries, healthcare, now package delivery services. To tech analyst Gene Munster on what all of this means. You know, Gene, when it gets that big, I find it interesting that every time Amazon advances or moves into these fields, I just don't watch Amazon stock. I watch the stocks of others in that sector. And I think it was yesterday, those two sectors alone, pharmaceutical and the shipping industries, they lost more than $18 billion in market value just with Amazon dipping its toes in their waters. What do you make of that?
I think it's investors being smart, because the reality is Amazon has the wherewithal to really disrupt these other areas. And so I could see some of these stocks that pull back that $18 billion, there's going to be some form of a recovery. But I think the bigger picture is this, is that Amazon has several driving factors, but shipping and healthcare are two very core reasons. And I want to quickly put those into perspective and why people who have owned some of these other stocks should be careful about competing with Amazon. First is on the shipping side, they're going to be making it easier to get items same day and same hour. And that's only about 500,000 items today are offered for Prime Now. I don't know if you've ever had the experience of being on Prime Now. You search for something, you can't find it on Prime Now the same day, so then you switch over to Amazon, you're able to find it there. That is a gap in the number of SKUs. So about 500,000 on Prime Now. There's 325 million on Amazon proper. So they need to ramp the number of products, and that's what these shipping partners do. And separately, the healthcare, huge market, call it $3.3 trillion, 18% of U.S. GDP. And Jeff Bezos talks about owning the wallet. This is a big part of the wallet he doesn't own today. So you can imagine how aggressive he's going to be in going after this segment.
Do you think that this gets the attention of regulators, though, that they can look at this and say, whoa, wait a minute?
It'll get the attention of them, but there's really nothing that they can do. And the reason is that the standard for regulators, there's two standards typically. One is there a market share issue here. And if you look at commerce, Amazon has about, call it 15 to 18% of commerce in the U.S. They don't really have anything in healthcare right now. They don't do much in terms of shipping, almost zero. So this market share standard is something that regulators can't really, they're not even close to violating anything on that. The second standard is the consumer better off? And I think most Amazon users would argue that their life is better with Amazon. And so, yes, this is going to get some attention. Amazon will constantly be under a magnifying glass when it comes to regulators. But I think that the standard of tripping any sort of regulatory measures we're a long ways away from that, Neil.
All right, we shall see. Gene, it's always good having you, my friend. Thank you.
Thank you, Neil.